Hello everybody and welcome back again. This is my fourth video for today, so I will have one more, bear with me. This time is gonna be the Macy's beauty bag for February. Let's go ahead and see what's in this one. And after this one I'll have the glossy box for February. So in Macy's bag for February we have as usual this cute card which looks like this, and they also send $5 off coupon. For some reason, I don't know why I never use those, maybe just once. And the bag itself looks like this, and it says here, believe in your selfie. Here is the bag. Of course it's a pink one with gold heart. And here are the products as usual in a pink paper. And let's see. The first item in here is from TARTE Cosmetics and looks like this, and this one is a cleanser which looks like this. Then we have here from Philosophy, it's the Miracle Worker Fix. The box looks like this, and here is the guy, very small. Then we have a face mask. It's from TONYMOLY-I'M Real Rose Mask Sheet, which looks like this. Then another sample in here is by Coach. It's floral perfume sample. This one. And the last item, actually it's not the last item, I have two more. One of them it's Fake Awake, and this one looks like this. Is this tiny crayon, and let's see what's this. Let's look in the card. Oh, this is by Tarte. It's Fake Awake Eye Highlight. Okay, this small guy. And then the last item in here is by Dior. It's Lip Glow, which looks like this. And inside of this you get this with 3 shades. And we have here Dot Pink, Matte Raspberry and Hold Pink, and it comes with this tiny brush. I use some similar samples in the samples of the week, and I have to say that one blister like this, I think I use from one of these more than a week. So it's a lot of product, at least it was in that one, which was Lilac Bee or something like that. So yeah, that's all we get in the Macy's for this month, for February. So far we have those 3 Dior lip glow. The packaging is very cute. We have a perfume sample by Coach. We have a face mask by TONYMOLY. It's the rose mask. We have this guy from Philosophy, is the Miracle Worker Fix. Very tiny. And the last one is from TARTE Cosmetics. It's the cleanser and looks like this. So far I like this box. I think my favorite product from this month, it's the and of course the Tarte eye highlight, whatever was this. So I think my favorite product is the IT Cosmetics Cleanser from this month. I'm gonna try the other ones and let you know in the samples or in the empties videos how they work for me. Let me know what do you think about this month Macy's bag. And that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Of course I'll be back with another unboxing, and you have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.